Warm greetings to all. Myself, Dr. Archana Budade, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. The topic of my research paper is Investigation of Structural and Dielectric Properties of Synthesized SR2 Lanthanum Cobaltite Peroxide Oxide. The outline of my presentation is Introduction, Methodology, Result and Discussion, Conclusion. Introduction. Generally, peroxide materials are widely used in many applications such as supercapacitors, gas sensors, solid oxide fuel cells, etc. Lanthanum cobaltite exhibit interesting electrical and magnetic properties due to coexistence of low spin and high spin cobalt ions in it. Replacement of lanthanum by alkali or alkaline earth element is chemically feasible, particularly monovalent and divalent elements like lithium, calcium, strontium are certainly promising substituent in the position of the trivalent lanthanum in LaCO3 to achieve significant enhancement in the electric and ionic properties. In this study, we report the effect on the structural and dielectric properties caused by doping divalent strontium cation on LaCO3 synthesized by Sol gel method. The reason for considering the Sol gel as the synthesis method relies on the ability to obtain a homogeneous distribution of cation at the atomic scale, and this technique also does not require high temperature and low vacuum. Methodology. A psychometric ratio of lanthanum nitrate, cobalt nitrate, strontium nitrate, citric acid were dissolved in ethylene glycol. The mixture was stirred on a magnetic stirrer at 80 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. The solution was then heated in a pressure vessel at 130 degrees Celsius for 6 hours. The solution now was transferred into a gel. The mixture was then heated in a muffled furnace at 350 degrees Celsius for 3 hours such that a fine powder was obtained. The fine powder was then calcined at different temperature for 6 hours. The sample powder was further characterized for structural characterization and electrical properties. For the structural characterization, the methods that were taken were XRD, TEM, SEM, EDX. And to study the dielectric analysis, we have studied the frequency and temperature dependence of the dielectric constant and the frequency and the temperature dependence of the dielectric loss. XRD. The diffraction pattern of LaCO3 is as shown in the figure A. As you can see that the peaks are appearing at 23.24, 32.98, 42.53, 47.48, 57.34 and 67.18, and that are induced to 010, 110, 104, 220, 024, 018, 220, as you can see in the figure, according cubic planes of the structure as per the GCPDS data. Now, in the figure 2, gives the XRD pattern of SR substituted LaCO3 from the peaks for 012, 104, 202, 024 and 018 planes are appearing at 23.24, 32.48, 42.53, 47.48 and 57.34. Here you can see that there is a slight shift of 0.52 theta degree, which confirmed the doping of the divalent SR ion in the LaCO3 host lattice. No impurity peaks can be seen, uh, can be observed, which suggests that the dissolution of the SR ion for this doping concentration. The average particle size of the nanocrystalline LaSrCO3 according to the Scherrer formula was found out to be in the range of 30 to 35 nanometer. The second characterization was the transmission electron microscopic analysis. As you see in the figure, the TEM image of LaSrCO3 calcinide at 550 degrees Celsius. The TEM image revealed that the particles are spherical in nature with an average particle size of 30 nanometer, which is in close agreement to the result obtained from the XRD. Scanning electron microscopy. Scanning electron microscopy was employed to study the surface morphology of the particle size. From the figure 3, you can see the same image of the pristine LaCO3. And from this image, you can see that the sample, it exhibits a spherical morphology, while the figure 4 shows the same image of SR dope LaCO3, which is similar to that of the pristine LaCO3 material. And from this, you can see that here, if we observe it closely, then you can see that there is agglomeration of the particles. Further, the particle size of both the samples was evaluated by ImageJ software and which was found to be in the range of 30 to 35 nanometer, which was in close agreement to the result obtained from the XRD pattern. Energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopic analysis was done in order to decide the chemical composition of the surface of LaCO3 and SR dope LaCO3. From the figure A, you can see that the LaCO3 sample contains LaCO and O elements only, while the sample Figure figure B shows the SR dope LaCO3, which clearly shows the atomic ratio of La, CO, SR, and O are in close agreement to the formula of La 0.9, SR 0.1, COO3 formula. All the above analysis confirmed that the synthesized sample in LaSrCO3 with does not contain any impurities. Dielectric analysis. To study the electrical properties, we have studied the dielectric analysis. Now, in the dielectric analysis, we have performed the frequency and temperature dependence of the dielectric constant. The figure A shows the frequency and temperature dependence of the dielectric constant of the pristine LaCO3. From this figure, you can see that as the dielectric constant increases with temperature, while the figure B shows the SR substituted LaCO3. Here also you can see that as the dielectric constant increases with temperature. The second is frequency and temperature dependence of the dielectric constant. Figure 1 again shows the temperature dependence of the dielectric loss of the LaCO3, while figure B shows the temperature dependence of dielectric loss of SR substituted LaCO3. Here also you can see that the dielectric loss increases with increase in temperature, suggesting the conducting nature of the sample at high temperature. Conclusion. The structural and dielectric analysis of the undoped and SR doped LaCO3 are discussed LaCO3 and SR2 LaCO3 samples has been synthesized by salt gel method. The sharp and single diffraction peaks of XRD confine the formation of well crystalline sample. Both XRD and TEM analysis revealed the particle size of the synthesized sample in the range of 30 to 35 nanometer. Both the dielectric constant and dielectric loss increases with temperature and decreases with frequency through the study range. The temperature dependence of dielectric loss was expected to be associated with the conducting loss.